Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess who decided to make a video after 3 long weeks? Okay, so if you follow me on my Instagram, you probably know why I am missing. That is because I finally came to my college. And usse pehle I had my exams and assignments and whatnot, and I then shifted to my college and I have been a bit lazy as well. I would give you that. But yeah, so since I'm in my room for like a week, मैं जब रूम में आई थी सो आई वॉज जस्ट लुकिंग एट द रूम एंड थिंकिंग कि यू नो हाउ आई कैन मेक दिस प्लेस अ लिटिल मोर कोजी और थोड़ा सा और इसको थोड़ा अच्छा कर सकते हैं. आई मीन द रूम एंड ऑल इज फाइन. सो this is what the room looks like currently. It's built fine, it's spacious, it's full of light and everything, but the most problematic thing in this room are the walls. I mean, इतने सारे tape के निशान हैं, so the previous occupants obviously they had something up on the walls and now there are a lot of tape marks which I personally do not like. मतलब पूरा दिन मुझे ये सिर्फ निशान दिखते रहते हैं which I don't really like. So I just wanted to get something to cover those up. Also this wall right here, so this is the background against which I would film all of my videos. तो मुझे इसको थोड़ा amp up करना था. तो currently it's like a very plain dull yellow wall और ऊपर AC लगा हुआ है जिसकी वजह से there is this dripping का निशान. So I don't really like this wall. अगर ये पूरी wall साफ सुथरी होती ना without any निशान तो I don't think I would have done much, but now I need to cover up these निशान्स because I don't really like them. तो currently मैंने सिर्फ अपना सामान अलमारी में रखा हुआ है, कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा डेकोरेशन नहीं करी है. So I ordered like some stuff from Amazon. तो काफ़ी कुछ आ चुका है. एक चीज़ जो मैंने मंगाई है अभी, I haven't like bought it from Amazon, वो मैंने एक Instagram store से मंगाई है. So that would be delivered I think 10 days from now. तो अभी मेरे पास जौन सी भी सारी चीजें हैं I am going to use them. Like first let me show you what all I got from Amazon. Okay, so I don't have a lot of stuff, but I have two posters right here. You'll see them when I put them on the wall. Then I have this. ये तो भाई मेरी बचपन की फैंटेसी है. मतलब जब मैं छोटी थी तो I had these in my room and I just wanted to you know get them again. So these are the glow in the dark star sheets. तो ये मैं लगाने वाली हूँ अपनी एक वॉल पे या शायद ज़्यादा वॉल्स पे क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी है ये. So I'm gonna put these on the walls तो ये रात में stars की तरह जलेंगे. Then the most favorite thing of mine which I got are these mini posters. Now it has stickable posters. ये पीछे टेप लगी हुई है. And these posters are so cute and aesthetic. Like these are the 4 posters I don't really like. तो ये मैंने बाहर निकाल के रखा हुआ है. But yeah, it has such great posters. तो सबसे पहले मैं ये posters ही लगाने वाली हूँ. तो अभी ना like it has I think 50 posters. तो अभी मैं नीचे wall पे एक बार इसका कैसे कैसे लगाना है I'm just gonna see and place it कि placement कैसे होगा. And then I'm gonna put it on this wall. तो इसकी location तो मेरे को पता है कि मैं यहाँ लगाना चाहती हूँ. ये चीज़ तो पक्का लगने वाली है मेरी पीछे वाली wall पे और आप हर वीडियो में यही बैकग्राउंड देखने वाले हो. सो फटाफट से अब चलते हैं नीचे ज़मीन पे एंड या लेट्स सी हाउ आई एम गोना अरेंज देम.
It's sunny at most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't in the stars, we could be floating on our way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Space makes me sad.
Okay, so it's 6:40 p.m. right now. मैं जब कर रही थी सारा काम my class started, so it was 1:30 और अब 6:30 हो रहे हैं. So now I'm finally free and I don't know what's happening to my face. Like whenever I come here, I start getting a lot of pimples. I don't know, मेरे को यहाँ का पानी सूट नहीं कर रहा है या क्या. I just don't know. जब मैं last time मार्च में hostel आई थी, that time also I got so many breakouts on my face. But yeah, that's another issue. So now this wall is done, and on this wall I have the plan of putting जो मैंने order किया है, जो अभी 10-15 days के बाद आएगा. But on this wall, I also want to put those stars, the glow in the dark stars that I showed you. So let's do that. Okay, so here I have 4 sheets of stars. इसमें अलग अलग तरीके के stars हैं. I don't know if you can see. एक ऐसे normal star है, एक ऐसे वाले star है. Then there is also this spaceship kind of thing. Here we have smaller stars, and then we have a rocket, and finally we have another rocket and Saturn and the moon and one more star. So I'm just gonna fix that on this wall. सारे मैं शायद use नहीं करूँगी, but let's see what I can do. So yeah. Okay, so I just remembered that I have this poster as well, which says I need my space, which is quite true. So मैं सोच रही हूँ कि इसको AC wall पे लगा दूँ, since I'm creating a space sky kind of a theme. So let's just see कि ये वहाँ पे कैसा लगता है. Okay, so this is what my room currently looks like. So that's the entries. Starting from this wall, it looks so pretty. I can't even but this took a lot of effort. Moving on, we have this wall which has I Need My Space poster and glow in the dark stickers which we can't see abhi because light hai. Then here's my bed. Of course, अभी आपने देखा कितनी मेहनत से बनाया. Like I think there's too much pink in this video. This is also pink theme. This is also pink today, and I'm also wearing pink. But nevertheless, it looks very pretty. Then we have the curtains जो college ने provide किए हुए हैं. नीचे laundry bag है. Ignore. Then यहाँ पर the next project that I have is to clean out that. क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने अपना सारा सामान रखा है. सो नाउ आई नीड टू कीप ओनली वो जो मुझे डेली यूज़ में चाहिए होगा एंड मैं बाकी हटा दूँगी. दिस आई एम कीपिंग. इसका कुछ जुगाड़ लगाना पड़ेगा एंड द रेस्ट ये बुक्स हैं जो यूज़ होती है.